Hi friends, yeah. Wow, this is nice. This is little unexpected but good. And it says thank you for purchasing from us. Enjoy 15% off your next order. Blah blah blah. Craftbia, and this is how it looks. Even if they're given a thick card, so let's keep it aside and let's see this. So this like a crafts that's like good packaging, like they have a website and everything, which is nice. Like they care about the brand, not like making a website, but at least giving those little touch like properly. And this is like a Z some coin. So let me just see. Okay, so I think this is where you can put, oh god, is there something that I forgot? Or I think this is how it's supposed to be. Wow, it says like a stand, so you can like put it as a stand like this. And this is ये ऐसे push, तो there's like a very thin plastic membrane which you can just like put it like this, and then wow, and then put it like this. So ऐसे करके ये stand हो जाता है. And now let's come to the main thing, the coin. Ta-ta. This says Zcash and it's like a very good gift. This is I think some kind of क्या बोलते हैं, Bitcoin types. Bitcoin का वो कहता रहता है cryptocurrency. So just look at the shine. It looks good. Like of all the things, this looks good, and this actually looks like a coin. Like just look at the shine and everything. So and it is it's called a Zoashi or blah 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 decentralized, and they designed a coin and it actually weight, like there is a weight to it, a very nice weight. Now so now let's see this. This is like a 28 grams. Like it is good for a 28 grams, like because बहुत भारी होता है 28 grams. Like if you don't see, if I just do a bear, it's heavier than this battery. Like so imagine how much thicker and better this is. Like, and also I have one more thing to for this kind of stuff. Just look at it. It is like a 3 millimeter, like a thickness. Just see, look at it. So you see, like it's a very good coin, like the design and everything. I want to keep it like a good lucky coin or kind of a thing. And if you own something like this, and this has a golden shine, and I can't praise this enough, so let's do where it's due. So I can either put into this to safeguard this. Just suppose I want to safeguard this, and let's try this. ऐसे डाला, इसको अपन ने बीच में रखा, थोड़ा सा नीचे, थोड़ा सही से एंगल करके, एंड देन हमने सब पुश कर दिया, तो इट्स बिकम्स द कॉइन. एंड सी हाउ इट्स रैप्ड अराउंड लाइक, एंड देन वी केप्ट इट एज दिस. लाइक जस्ट लुक एट इट. Isn't it look like a good showpiece? Like ऐसे अगर रहेगा तो I think it looks like a good showpiece if you have a Z coin or something. ऐसे करके, and then it's like a double protection layer, और उसकी वजह से वैसा सर्कुलर आ रहा है ना, तो सही आ रहा है, ऐसा दिख रहा है. तो I can also been curious कि उसके बिना करे तो सपोज मैं इसको निकाल दी, तो ऐसे निकाला, and just keep the coin in center, and then does this look better? Please let me know in comments which one looks better. And then ये थोड़ा फिसल रहा है. हाँ, it is not like, मतलब जगह पे नहीं टिक रहा बस, और वो टिक जाता तो बेटर था. बट this looks more clean, like oh there is a coin which looks good, and it's going to give like floating in suspension in air. But ऐसा है कि थोड़ा फिसल जाएगा जब इतनी बार वो करोगे. But nonetheless it looks good, it looks clean, nice. I like very good quality. It looks good. like ऐसे आपने रख दिया तो it like ये थोड़ा सा भटक जाएगा if you don't put that thing, but I would prefer with that. So yeah, link in the description for this thing. Bye bye, thank you.